In the vast world of the internet, dark psychology is a topic that sparked many debates. After all, if you learn about it, you might just catch when YouTubers or content creators are trying to manipulate you. Take gaslighting, for instance, a cunning manipulation trick that can make you question your own memories, fostering self-doubt. Imagine someone creating a situation where the fault isn't theirs, but they challenge your understanding to make you believe you're mistaken. It's a technique used by politicians, companies trying to sell you their products, or even bosses keeping their employees in line. In relationships, there's a trick called love bombing, where a person showers you with so much affection, gifts, and surprises that you feel overwhelmed. But when you realize you're just a victim under their control, you may feel a sense of rejection and manipulation. Then there's social proofing, a common psychological trick where you're more likely to do something if you see people around you, like friends, celebrities, or influencers doing it. But beware, some people create fake social proofs to manipulate you, like showing positive reviews for a movie to encourage you to watch it. A silent treatment is another dark psychological tactic where silence can trigger a whirlwind of emotions, causing confusion and self-doubt. Guilt trips also play a part in this realm of manipulation, where someone constantly reminds you of a past mistake to make you feel guilty and vulnerable. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding these tactics, you can protect yourself from manipulation and foster healthier interactions. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe in this vast digital world.